Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a simple guide on mastering steel-cut oats. These aren't your typical instant flakes. They're whole oat groats cut into 2 or 3 pieces, giving them a distinct, hearty chew. Their texture and rich, nutty flavor make them a fantastic, wholesome breakfast choice. Plus, they're packed with fiber, helping you feel satisfied and energized all morning long. It's a truly rewarding way to start your day. Before we begin cooking, let's quickly gather our essential supplies. You'll need steel-cut oats, of course, along with a liquid. Water or milk both work wonderfully. For the best results, use a heavy-bottomed pot, ideally with a tight-fitting lid. This helps distribute heat evenly and prevents sticking. And don't forget a small pinch of salt. It really brings out the natural sweetness of the oats. Now let's get cooking. Start by combining your measured liquid and steel-cut oats in your pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once it's bubbling nicely, immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Cover the pot with its lid and let it cook gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally, especially towards the end, to achieve that lovely, creamy consistency without sticking. For truly perfect steel-cut oats, a few simple tips make all the difference. Stirring more frequently during the final 10 minutes of cooking helps prevent them from sticking and promotes a creamier texture. You can also adjust the cooking time slightly to match your preference, whether you like them a bit chewier or very soft. If they become too thick, just add a splash of hot water or milk, a little at a time, until they reach your desired consistency. Your delicious steel-cut oats are now ready to enjoy. Ladle them into bowls, and then comes the fun part, customizing them with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, toasted nuts, and a swirl of maple syrup or honey are all wonderful choices. These hearty oats are a fantastic canvas for your culinary creativity. You can even make a larger batch, store leftovers in the fridge, and reheat them for quick, wholesome meals throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.